Forever, forever, forever.
Hey you guys, today we're going to be doing a video on this unboxing and reviewing beauty supply wig. It's 100% Malaysian human hair quality, soft tangle free, vitamin E with a Remy touch, and it's by 21 Tress. So let's start by opening this bad boy up. And this wig does have veins, so. And this is how it comes right out of the box. So I've already braided down my hair in like 6 little braids. Bruh. Let's see. So this wig does come with adjustable straps and no like clips because I hate those clips. She cute. So this is the wig. And I like it. It's cute. And let's see what it says about this wig. It says, let's see if you can flat iron it. I don't know. It's a premium blend, so human hair and I guess synthetic hair. And it comes in other colors. Oh, it says up to 400 degrees, flat iron safe. Should I know about that? And I kind of don't like this little slant. I just don't. I would cut it, but I don't want to mess up the wig. I don't want to mess up the wig. So, this is it. Is she cute? The only thing I don't like about these kind of wigs is like you have to get it straight. You don't want one side of your bang up here and the other side not like, girl. But I like it. She ready. She ready. She ready. Okay, so like shedding, let's see. I got one strand. Girl, you know we can't see that jump. No other strands. And this wig was, where's the receipt? $38.51. Taxes and fees included. I kind of want to bump it. I don't know why I'm feeling like bumpy-ish. Cause a straight look, she cute or whatever, but I'm more of a inside girl, not an outside girl. It just looks so bland. So I'm gonna test out the flat iron on the wig because I really don't like this blunt straight. I don't like it. I just want like a little bump. So let's see. Okay, so it's like a very slight difference, man. But I can dig it, so I'm just gonna do that all the way around. So let's see. And this hair is really, really soft. Okay, now that is much better. You just have to do the back. Oops. You guys probably can't tell that I bumped it. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I can tell. And I love it. Okay, so this is the end of the video. That lawnmower guy has been so rude. He got there. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and if there's a little bell, hit that notification so you can watch all my videos.
Forever.